So I did my presentation on Micrographia. So the book itself is called Micrographia, or Some Physiological Descriptions of Minute Bodies Made by Magnifying Glasses, with observations and inquiries thereupon. It was written by Robert Hooke and was published in January 1665. The book is about his observations through various lenses and is notable for being the first book to illustrate insects and plants seen through the microscope. This book is the first scientific bestseller which caused a widespread interest in microscopes. And it is notable, or Robert Hooke is notable for coining the term the cell. And he coined that term because plant cells, which have cell walls, remind him of honeycombs. So the text reinforces the power of the new microscope, and this microscope was made specifically so Robert Hooke could do his research. And with that microscope, he describes the fly's eye and the plant cell. The text is specifically known for its engravings and the fold-out plates of insects that are larger than the book itself. Here's one engraving of the louse. So the louse engraving fold-out is actually 4 times the size of the book itself. And although the book is best known for the power of the microscope, it also describes a couple other topics, including distant planetary bodies, the wave theory of light, the organic origin of fossils, and other physiological and scientific interests of the author Robert Hooke. And he also studied human objects, like, for example, the edge of a razor and the point of a needle. And his goal of this was to contrast the flawed products made by mankind with the perfection of nature. And this is my works cited. Thank you.